అప్పుడు పొట్లయితే అలాగే చూసాడు. दो का आ गया मेरा इंतजार तो
Open your console once. Double click on console. Scroll up once. Scroll down a little bit. Just show me the first error you're getting. Which jar files you have added? Okay, it's fine. OJDBC jar and in the build path. Remove OJDBC 8 and 11 jar. Remove this OJDBC 8.
Yes, sir, it is done.
What is your location? Click on home.html.
Sir?
Click on just above you can see home.html. Okay. Just click on that. Bring your cursor to the home.html. Bring your cursor to the home.html. Again, remove the resources from the Tomcat server. Now try to run it. If it will still not run, then you have to create your servlet program first. At the time of creating servlet program, you just have to check for the desired URL pattern. You have to edit it. Okay. Your program is completely correct, but due to your web.xml, you are getting this error.
Okay.
Whenever there is a problem in web.xml, you will get this type of error.
Okay.
So do one thing, just copy your code and paste it anywhere else. After whenever you're creating a servlet, one more servlet like login servlet, so check for the URL pattern. Edit your URL pattern as you want to edit from there. When if
Like-
you not edit,
Like I need to copy all these things and I need to create one more, sir.
you don't need to copy. You need to copy only HTML and Java file, not Java file. So you can't copy a web.xml. Right?
I didn't get it.
Create a new project, right?
Okay.
After creating a new project, whenever you want to create a login user like login servlet.java, registration servlet.java, at the time of creation of this servlet class, okay? If you create this servlet class, you will find URL pattern, edit URL pattern. So give the URL pattern from there on. It will not give the URL pattern from there. It will show some errors, like if you give any custom URL pattern, so it will not take it wisely.
Like whatever I provide in the action, I need to give the same thing in the URL pattern.
Whatever in the future you want to provide in action, you give the same type of URL pattern at time of creation of class, servlet class. So it will easily locate your servlet.java file.
Okay, sir.
Make it once and
Okay, sir. I'll do that, and if there is anything, I'll come back to you. Thank you, sir.
Sitamer, unmute yourself. Mute yourself. Yeah, who's next?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, here after selecting this remove button is not enabling to remove, sir.
Select this Java X.servlet. Okay. If you select,
Sir,
you will
select.
get a remove option.
Yes, sir. Remove option is not enabling, sir.
Cancel this project once. Create like you are creating a servlet, right? So cancel this one.
Yes, sir.
Cancel this. Close it. Close it. Just close it. Create one servlet again. In SRC, go to SRC and create one servlet again. Not from the file. Not from the file. Click on your project SRC. Okay, you are saved. Like you are using Jakarta dot. You are using servlet or generic servlet. Oh, so type it generic servlet there. Jakarta.servlet.generic servlet. If you want to use generic servlet, then type generic servlet, not servlet only.
The same thing, sir. This also not enabling.
Sorry, your voice is actually a bit laggy. Okay. So after generic servlet, click on next again. Click on next.
So these all are not enabling, sir. Enter, destroy. Sir,
So in this URL pattern, using if you want to edit it from here, you can edit it. Hello. What happened, Sirisha? Share your screen.
second. It's not removing, sir. Remove button is not enabling.
Just untick the constructor from superclass once. All your options has been selected. Untick the constructor from superclass.
Seconds.
Okay, right click on Java X.servlet. Are you getting any options?
No, sir, nothing.
Every time when you are creating this, you are getting same error.
No, sir.
Okay, that's not a major issue. Like if you are unable to remove it, you can finish the project and just it will implement the sublet class also. So you can remove it from your class also.
But whenever we want a unit and destroy, here these two are not enablings.
Destroy is not invoking.
Init also. Here all disabled.
Just let me check. Finish it once. Select the constructor from the and finish it once. Which methods you are getting other than this public constructor? Scroll downwards.
Sir?
As you can see here, you are creating a class which extends generic servlet and implement servlet. So if you want to remove this servlet, implement servlet, you can remove it from here also. That's not a big issue.
The others not counts.
That's the same error like I told you earlier, like GRE problem is there. So every time you have to check for the GRE addition. Open your control panel once. How many JDK you have installed? See, I'm telling all of you because if you install multiple type of JDK, that also gives some type of errors like unbound error. So just keep simple one JDK in your system. Click on uninstall a program in last option. Uninstall a program. Below program and feature, you will find uninstall a program. So scroll down. Where is your Java?
Yes.
You have only JDK 11 version. So if you are getting still this type of error, so go for your GRE change. Because if there is a same error every time you create a project, you will get GRE unbound exception. That's why you have to change it. Like earlier I said, just select remove your GRE. That is 17 edition. It is by default taking, and again add that 11 version by default workspace by default GRE. Close your program control features control panel. Check for the build path. In SRC, click on SRC. See every project in your project explorer, you are getting same error. That is GRE error. If you want to solve that, if you have to remove the overall GRE 17 and board, go to configure build path. See, as you can see, it is showing Java standard edition and unbound. So select it, remove it, and again add the by default version. Click on class path, add library. GRE system library and next. So it is, wait a minute. It is showing workspace default GRE 11 version, okay. So now it will work, finish and apply. And make a habit guys, just every time you create a project, after creating a project, you have to create a package, right? After creating package, add libraries first, like libraries in the sense a jar file first. If you don't add the jar file first while creating servlet, it will show some type of error. Okay, so make a habit to add jar file first. Again, try to create an project. Create a normal demo project. Next. Finish. Open this project build path and unbound. Just select a JRE. No. Don't create servlet first. Cancel it. After creating the project, right click on it and go to build path. Configure build path. Unbound this JRE. Add library. Again, just go to your build path again and add jar files also. After creating a project, you just have to do 2 to 3 things like adding jar file. If you have unbound exception and unbound error, so remove it from there and again add GRE. Go to your class path and add external jars. JDBC jar file and servlet jar file. Okay, other than this, anybody have doubt related to servlet class creation or something like that? Just
So I added servlets.
okay, and JDBC also. Not DSP, JDBC. Which version you have, Oracle?
19C, sir.
19C, right? So, have you located the jar file yet, or you have downloaded it from online? Go to OSC. OSC drive. Go to C drive. No, from here only. Add external jars. Click on add external jar. Okay, click on OSC. Here you will find Oracle folder.
Yes.
Click on that. Okay, in Oracle you will find DB home. Just scroll down once. You will find JDBC folder also. You find any folder like JDBC?
Yes, sir.
That folder you have your jar file in open library. LIB. So here OJDBC 8_G. This is your jar file. Select it. Every time you want to add the jar file of JDBC, select it from open and apply and close. Still showing error. Now go to SRC, create a package. Go to project SRC. Not from here. Why are you creating every time servlet from here? Go to SRC. Project, open your project. Just expand your project. Not count the first day which you have created. Expand the demo project. Yeah, from there only. Click on SRC. Right click on it and create a new package. Package, not servlet. Every time you're doing the same thing, like after creating this project, you are creating servlet file.
Yes, sir.
So this is not the right way. After creating a project, you have to simply create a package. That in that package, all the classes will be saved. Give package name as test.
What?
Test. Any name. Give a package name. Okay. Finish. Now in this package, right click on it and now create servlet. It is by default Java X.servlet. Change it to superclass. Now you are getting a feel. So this is the first time actually I'm seeing this type of error. Ask your faculty about this error because this is creating some minor mistakes to your project. You can
Sir,
change it from class also. See, there is, yeah.
I have said to sir, outside given me one number.
What number?
Ask the system admins.
Okay. Finish your project. No, finish. Just click on finish. See, this is not a major issue. You can implement servlet from there also, as I said earlier. Just check for if it is creating init, destroy, or other packages like in your program. You have removed it, right? Scroll down. Which other methods this servlet has been created? Okay, all the methods you are getting.
So,
Import the servlet.config, all the files. Check for it if it is imported or not. Like if it's Java X. Edit it from here. Remove all the Java X.servlet part.
yes.
Yeah, select